Hi everyone! In the last video, we talked about how we can create our 3D printed lithophone top. In this video, we're going to make the base of this lamp. So we're going to go to the website called the Maker Case, choose Simple Boxes option, because the shape of our lithophone top is square, so we need to get some shape that's suitable for that. So when you go there, you change the units from inch to milliliters, which could be the same one aligned to your lithophone top unit. And we change the width to 100, height as 100, same as the depth. The reason we change it to 100 because of the dimensions of the audio recording chips. And you can see from this picture, the size is 85.48 milliliters. So which means that the height of our lamp needs to be at least 100 milliliters. So going by this way, you also need to make sure that the dimensions are outside and the thickness is 3 milliliters. And your boxes need to be opened because we are going to put the lithophone on top of it. After this, edge joints should be flat and click download box plans. Enable your panel labels because we can get rid of this later. And then click download SVG. Once you finish downloading, we are going to this app called Xtool Creative Space, where I will put the link there so you can also download it. And now we're moving to Xtool Creative Space. You go to the top left corner, import image, and we're going to choose the box we just downloaded. Click here. Now you can see everything is here. You also have the labels. We can change the labels later. First of all, we need to make sure that we're going to create a few holes for our lithophone lamp so we can hear the sound, we can press the buttons. By doing that, we need to know a few dimensions of the different parts. First of all, let's go to the audio recording chips. There will be two buttons. One you can press for record, the other one you can press for play, and they are the same size. Here I have put the size here. You can see that it's 11.99 milliliters, which is around 12 milliliters. So I need to go back here, either on the left and the right. I have to create two squares there. So I'm going to go to Insert, Rectangle, and drag something randomly here. Now I can go to the size and unlock that, and then put a 12 milliliters. So this will be the button where I can put a record and the play buttons here. After putting here, the next part, you also need to know that we need to make sure the lamp could hear our voice. So now this is a little speaker here. I have measured the size of the speaker, which is 25.47 milliliters, around 25.5 milliliters. So I am going to put this the front. So I'm going to create one circle. The diameter needs to be around 25.5, same as height, 25.5. You can see I have unlocked this and the size. Now I'm gonna just lock it back again, put it front. And the reason I also measured the height of the audio chip this part, because I need to make sure that I can put my speaker in the right space. And also because you can see that they all connect together, it's not quite flexible. So I can either put it in the button and make sure that the audio chip would have enough space to place the rest of the parts. And after this, now I have my back and the front. I'm going to get rid of these labels. The reason we have labels because we need to make sure all of the elements we put in the right place. And after that, I also put a little bit element to decorate my lamp. So I put a text fu, which means fortune in Chinese, and put there to decorate. I also put a little bit Chinese element icon on the lamp where I found it from non-project. I changed both of that from cut to engraving, and the number I put it there, which the power is supposed to be 5 and the speed was supposed to be 30 after I tested out. And after this, I just export it and put it into the laser cutter. So in the laser cutter, and you just have to put the cardboard and connect with the laser cutter. You will see the overview, and you set up the engraving as well as a cut, and you can see that for each template you have to set as a cut. The number I will put it on the website as well as here. So for the cut you have to set the power as 50 and the speed is 15. For the engraving, like I mentioned earlier, so the power need to be 5 and speed should be 30. And after this your stuff will be cutted. So all you need to do just wait until the finish. After everything's ready, and all we need to do just put the lamp as well as the audio recording chips and the case, put them together, use hot glue gun to stick them together, also put the 2 different buttons on 2 sides, and now you can turn on the light and put your lithophone top and start to record. Thank you.